Welcome to our HooHacks 2021 Hackathon project. For this hackathon, we built the Arduino Drawbot, built by TEEM, comprised of Feng, Edward Xie, Evan Serrano, and Michele Murakami. When producing art, we often turn to pencil, paintbrush, or digital tools. We wanted to explore a new way of creating visual artwork in a physical medium. Inspired by remote-controlled cars, we created Drawbot to bring digital artwork to life. Drawbot can drive across a blank canvas in paths to trace artwork, leaving a Sharpie trail creating an image. Because we were limited in the hardware we had to be able to steer the vehicle and also move it forward. So, we used the 3 to 6 volt motor for moving it, and we placed this on a single wheel in the back. And then to balance, we had 2 wheels controlled by the servo motor, which was responsible for steering the vehicle. When designing, we had isolated each component, putting one on the Arduino at a time. We had both working separately, but had some issues when combining the two. There were issues when we tried to merge the code and have both the 3 to 6 volt motor and the servo motor running together. We initially thought it was software issues, but after isolating each component and rerouting the wires, it was still working for both individually. Instead, we figured out when reconnecting the wires that the Arduino's single 5 volt connector wasn't able to power both motors. After some research, we better understood how the breadboard worked in terms of transferring power and managed to get the power properly connected. Now that we had gotten both components working together, we wanted to adjust the speed of the 3 to 6 volt motor as it was spinning faster, causing the vehicle to drive out of control. In the process of controlling the speed, our motor had stopped working randomly. Eventually, we realized that we must have fried the motor, and thus we and our car could no longer move forward in this project. The end.